What's this place called?
This is the Live Oak Canyon Farm? Yeah, Live Oak Canyon Farm.
Okay.
So we're at the Christmas tree version of the pumpkin patch. Oh. Excited to be looking at the cotton candy or this corn. There's like just corn.
Ooh.
Why these people? I like the ornaments. That's new. And these words are new too. Come on, they were next. Can you give us a picture? Thank you.
And then they'll see your name in there etched in memory. There you go.
And you like this? Look at all the trees. They're all taken.
This year.
$110? Is that how much trees cost, or are they like expensive here?
No, I mean our tree was like $200.
Oh. Okay, I did not know that.
Yeah, they grow them here. They're a small mom and pop.
I mean, well, okay, that's what I'm asking. Are they expensive here, or is that what they cost?
No, that's what they cost now.
Because ours is a little more expensive because it's alive, right? It's in the pot.
That's
But
what
we
trees
reuse
cost
it.
now.
I don't know. My mom bought one when I was like 5, and we've just put it together every year since
Like
then.
a plastic one, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like metal, metal with like
Metal based.
like I don't know, maybe like plastic bristles or something, but like the branches are just like metal rods that you stick into a thing.
That's the same with me too.
Yeah.
Because like there's barely any Christmas tree farms around us.
No, even when we lived in Orange County, we would drive all the way out here to Ricky Canyon to get a tree.
You can't beat the smell, I think. Because it has a smell to it.
I don't even know how my parents learned about it, but they just wanted a live tree. Because these die so fast. You don't have all the danger for burning them.
But no, the plastic ones are definitely a danger.
I don't know. I've seen a bunch of videos in recent years of like live trees just spontaneously combusting because of the heat. Because of the heat of the lights, I guess.
Yeah, no, it's because like the combination of it being dry and then electric.
So if you turn your lights off at night.
Okay, well that's all it took for me to be like, nope.
We keep
Plastic
them
trees
on.
it
That's
is.
why we get the potted one, because those won't go up in flames because the tree is alive,
Hydrated.
constantly drinking water. Those you
These
keep
are
in
supposed
water,
to water too, but
and the
people
trees
forget.
will drink, but it's just not the same.
Yeah, they're all $110. Huh? I guess they're all the same size.
Yeah. Maybe like the bigger ones. You don't want to make the
I'm amazed that they fit a Ferris wheel in here.
It's always been there.
I know, but like it still amazes me.
Any puppy?
Like,
a dinosaur coming out of a pumpkin.
I like it. In the reindeer ranch, no less.
He ate them.
They don't make reindeer like that anymore.
That's why it's supposed to be. You gonna skate?
No, but we're gonna check it out.
Okay. Prices: Monday $10, Tuesday through Thursday $15, Friday through Sunday, 20.
Fridays they have logos though, like you buy one, you get one.
Okay.
I saw that on Instagram.
Yeah, they're.
Oh, is the ring not even open?
No, they're refreezing it.
Oh, okay.
I wanna go see it. I thought we could walk through there. They look like good skates. And you see the egg.
Say hi to Mom.
I did read.
Hi. Hi, Mom.
Intensified because I found out I could go to French from there.
Hot apple cider?
Yeah, and the hot apple cider.
Okay.
Or Frosty's white hot chocolate. Nah, I just want the apple cider.
Okay. I'm gonna get a s'mores, s'mores hot cappuccino and a cookie.
A cookie, just a cookie.
The cookies, whatever. The chocolate chip cookies. Yeah.
Sorry.
39?
This one, man?
Yeah. I don't know, actually.
Okay, we'll
find
figure
out
it
right now. Do you want to see the donut?
Yeah, this one's fine.
Ta-da!
Show me the donuts. Ooh.
They look good.
They do look good.
I'm covered in sugar already. I'm scared to drink. It might be too hot. It's very hot, but it's really good. Oh, my lid popped off. I'm in the danger zone.
I was like, they said on the s'mores, but I didn't see it on the
Hey, I don't co-sign to being on camera.
Too bad. What is it?
It is hot white chocolate with coffee.
Okay.
Comen?
You on a video of me smacking my lips, wondering if I like it?
You should drink from it.
I just did.
But we need to eat.
Oh.
It tastes like those like pre-made cappuccinos that you get at gas stations.
Yes.
That's
Yeah. AM, PM.
cappuccino, like
Yeah.
French vanilla or something.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's exactly what it tastes like.
I never got those.
No? I grew up on those.
I just got copies.
Thank you. You want a donut?
It has an aftertaste of that Mexican bear candy. Yeah.
Okay.
Good cookie.
Mm-hmm.
There you go.
I think we're getting more before we go home. No, never mind. We're going to Costco. We'll just go to Costco. It's fine.
For the cookies?
Yeah. Costco, please collab. Kirkland, please collab. Ooh,
I'm not zooming in. I don't know how to use it.
What is your incentive? You gotta give them like a tag, like Costco co-sign. I do everything in bulk, and then they're like, what? All right.
It's slightly fermenting.
Exactly, but it's not. You can. It's really not. You could just. he loses food in bulk as well.
Michelada mix. 3 million.
No, I want your honest guess.
This year?
Yes, this year.
25.
That's your honest guess?
50?
100.
Do you
And I'm
read a
on-
book every 3 days?
Average 7, but yeah, about.
Jesus Christ.
And I read all of Game of Thrones in like September.
Huh?
I said I read all of Game of Thrones in like September.
Jesus Christ.
And I killed the sunflower.
Why are you hurting the flowers?
I'm Krampus.
Oh, okay. That explains everything.
Yeah.
Does Krampus eat flowers?
Nobody shits on it. He shits on shit.
Is that what?
I don't even know what that is. Like, I just know it's
Krampus?
a thing. Yeah, Krampus. What is it? I thought it was like, isn't it somewhat related to?
Yeah, it's like
It's literally like a
the
evil
Dutch,
Santa Claus.
the Dutch Santa Claus, or
that comes
from
and
over
like
there. Yeah,
Yeah, and he like kills people and steals their presents.
yeah,
And like makes them eat bad tamales.
yeah. They rule with fear instead of with love.
Yeah.
Oh, let me see. Show the camera the photo.
Let me see.
That's us. Okay, well, let's move.
I know that's why I'm the one scooching over. That's why I'm saying.
That penguin is tripping.
Yeah, that one's coked out.
It's tripping.
It's okay. Like a penguin.
Is this one supposed to look like a cookie?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah.
France because I spent 4 years studying.
They're more reliant on trades in Europe. That's the craziest part.
I like those.
In LA, the pantry, you have to wait like
The snowflakes?
Yeah. Oh, it's like such a cute touch. Let's go on the sun together.
Like, you could live without a car.
These penguins are hilarious.
Over here, though.
I was telling Leo, like, the first time we came, it was only just one house that was decorated and the penguins were scattered around it. And that was the photo op. Come a long way.
They lived in Manchester.
And walk around these
they lived in
presents?
London. Now they live a little outside of London.
They won't go to grandma's house.
Let's go home, Nemo?
Is it time already?
I don't know. Alarm off?
Yeah, it's time to give Logan.
Okay.
Not really like a big
Well, let's go home, Nemo?
outside of the city.
Let's go home.